Okay, the last thing after we've got our terminations all cut, our cables all stretched, we have one piece that this is code, and you're supposed to have a safety termination according to code. And essentially what that means is they don't want somebody to be walking up the stairs with their purse or loose clothes and catch on this open handrail. So you either have to die it into a post or you have to put some kind of a return on it. So you can cut one of these. What I did was just plumb down and got my angle and returned back to here. So this will go right on here like that, and that's your safety termination, and that makes it meet code. If you don't put that on, this sticking out will not meet code. And once again, I really encourage people to go to the municipality's website, muni.org, and go to building safety and go to handouts, and they have handouts on gravel rails and on balconies. So you make sure that when you install this, it meets code. So this would meet code, the rail's correct, the termination is correct. So there you have it.